Good morning, everybody. Today it's almost the end of our trip. We still have just 2 days left, and today we gonna just hike, I think, in some canyons that are just behind me. The plan yesterday was to go to the dunes. The problem is that we had to help some people and then we lost too much time, and at the end it was like too dangerous, so we are like, okay, let's go back. It would have been like 5 hours one way, 5 hours return, plus the canyons. So we said like, okay, let's stop that, and then we can camp here. As you can see, we are like in the middle of nowhere, and this is super exciting. And we had a good night, and then we are like now ready to take it easy for some hikes before going to another canyon. Let's go. Putain, il est chaud, Bastien! Ouais. Oh, le pilote aujourd'hui là! La montagne! Oh putain! Bastien, where do we go now?
Let's go for a hike.
Yes.
The ice field.
Alright. Alert equipment, I repeat, this person has broken my beautiful camera, but it's okay. He will pay me a new one, I guess, right?
Yeah, sure.
800 euros, man.
How much?
Yeah, 800.
800?
Yeah!
Okay. I can give you two.
He's such a lovely guy. He's such a lovely friend. He will do that for me. I was planning to change the camera. It's okay! This man is unstoppable. We don't have any map. We have only a drone and Google Map, but that should be good enough. So I'm glad to have this buddy training every weekend in the Alps. Look at those legs, man! Woo! And there we are with Bastien on the top of which mountain? Tell me more about this mountain.
Now look, there is the Mongolian flatland.
Yeah.
Desert.
And where is the Gobi desert with this?
There we can look at some Mongolian hut in the mountain.
Yeah. So we just reached the. We were in the canyon, and then we just picked one random mountain, and I used my drone, and I crashed my drone. So the camera is fucked. So I will need to change it like soon. So yeah, the mood is not so good, but at least temperature is okay. View is nice, and then now we have to find our way to go back. To try horse riding. So yeah, we negotiated for 30 minutes, and if we can go galloping, that would be super nice. And I think they are here. Oh, Bastien, how was it?
Very good, very fun.
So I was a white horse, and then we were having a galloping time, but the horse went extremely fast, so I kind of shit it in my pants. But now we are all safe, so let's continue the trip. Hi, Monsieur Fricker. How is it going?
Je kiffe.
Yeah.
Very funny. Lots of fun.
So yeah, now we are going to the white stupa, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, we don't have any reference, and Google Earth, Google Map, and whatever is not so good. So we are just keeping the position and targeting like east, and then let's hope for the best. But at the moment, you see, we don't know where we go. It's a bit stressful, but we will manage. We managed to find
White stupa!
Yes. Woo, my god, that was tough. Lost in the desert. but we managed, and now let's explore this area. Allez, Bastien, where are we?
We are at the white stupa in
yeah.
the Gobi Desert.
Finally, we reached this destination. It's pretty nice, guys, to be honest, and a lot of colors. Time to go down, maybe. End of the trip, Mr. Bastien. It's time to say goodbye to this amazing car that we really changed the color. How are your emotions? I thought it was nice. Thank you so much, sir. It was super nice. We'll make a good advertising for you, so it was super nice.
4x4 and it goes everywhere with no pain.
So this is our last evening with Bastien, and then let me present you. You have to tell your name. Inxin. So she's helping us to discover her culture, because we never had the time and the chance to meet any local people. So the problem is that they don't speak English. So finally we can discuss and exchange with her. And now, Inxin, you're gonna present us this dish. What is it? What's the name?
I think it's called cob salad. It's nothing special. It's nothing Mongolian. It's just with the chicken breast, egg, and avocado, tomatoes.
Well, apparently we have way more food than expected. So this one is appetizer from France, right? You like the French cheese?
I do.
Say it.
Yes, I love French
cheese.
French cheese. I'm sorry.
Nice. And then this one, what is the name of that?
That's hoshor.
Hushor. And inside it's?
Beef and lamb, I think.
Okay. I guess we're gonna get fat tonight.